Hi, I'm Charles from DMC, and the question is why Google is important for business. Simple, because when we use Google, we have the intent to buy. So when we search the keywords on Google, we know what we want, and all Google needs to know and give us, it's for business especially, it is to rank on the first page of Google, and they match. So once the business is matched with the buyer's intent, that's it. It's so much easier to get customers coming to your business rather than marketing and selling to people who are not interested or probably the wrong target market. So that is why I like Google marketing very much. Thank you.
Now, Google is actually one of the largest platforms in the world, so it's really a benefit to actually know how it works, because a lot of people think that Google is just a place for you to put ads, but actually it's much more than that, especially when you need to get found on the internet.
What I learned during this class is I learned about Google Ads, how to set up Google Ads, and difference between display and search.
Hi, my name is Ben, and I've just attended a Google Ad Masterclass by SITEC. And so far, I think that it's one of the best courses around, and I would recommend this course to people who are interested to further on how Google Ad works, because it's not the basic masterclass that you see out there where they just finish in 2 hours, but this one actually goes through 2 days of course, and it really gives you the input you need to really run Google Ads professionally on your own.
I think the session was really great. I got a lot of information from the coach. I think it's packed with a lot of information, and I really enjoyed the session. I think all the information I can use in the future.